It's a beautiful day. It's October the 10th, I think. Never mind. Doesn't matter. So it's a Saturday. We parked in front of Rona's and it's like 23 degrees outside. So we decided it's one of the last chances we have to upgrade our van. As you may know, we live in Canada and the winters here are pretty cold. Oh, hi.
Hello. What's going on?
I'm filming an intro.
What? An intro? We're introing. Hell yeah. It's a new word. Oh, hello. So, intro. I'm supposed to say what we're gonna do next.
Today we're doing insulation, and I honestly don't know what this is in English, but we're putting this up so it's gonna look like the ceiling. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So this is what we're putting up. It's wall insulation. This is what we put around all the walls. And then we need to do back door right there. And then these side doors over here. While Gasper is working on the back door, I'll start putting insulation, this pink stuff, on these side doors. Okay, our Dexter door are ready. Next thing, we'll put wood wood siding. As you can see, we finished the door. We put insulation and so as you can see, I finished with insulation and Gasper helped me put the vapor barrier up, and then next thing are wooden boards.
So, day 2 of the making van pretty upgrade, something like that. This is the first piece of the puzzle.
finished the door. Casper finished
We
it.
finished the door. Yes, very nice.
It took us 2 days to do it. Now the winter can come.
We ready?